Hey guys, so today I've got 3 more penny stocks that I've recently come across that I personally believe have got great potential to grow significantly in the future. Now, penny stocks are extremely risky and very volatile, especially in the short run. And these stocks that I picked out here are not necessarily stocks that you'd be looking to swing trade on, but more so hold for a long period of time. And obviously with the low market caps that penny stocks do have, this does give them a lot more room to grow in the future. I'll be looking into the key points around each of the companies, as well as some of the main reasons why I believe they could have good growth in the future. Also guys, if you do enjoy this video and you'd like to see similar videos to this in the future, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as that really does help out the channel a lot. And apart from that, let's get right into the video. So the first company we've got here today is called Zomedica Corp, ticker symbol ZOM. Now, this company is an animal health company that are focused on advancing point-of-care testing and diagnostics in veterinary medicine. Improving test performances gives vet healthcare teams the ability to diagnose disorders with more accuracy and precision. They are currently listed for $1.08 per share, giving them a market cap of $892 million. So Zomedica's flagship product is called TrueFormer, which is a biosensor platform designed to assist practitioners in the diagnosis of complex conditions. It gives the user complete control over the testing process from start to finish with highly sensitive and specific data, allowing vets to make decisions faster and start treating patients a lot sooner. The product is protected by 70 issued and pending patents, so it's not a product that can be copied by rival companies in the vet space. Zomedica recently signed a distribution agreement with Miller Veterinary Supply for the distribution of TrueFormer, with sales planned to begin on the 30th of March 2021. Miller are one of the veterinary industry's fastest growing businesses, with a 100-year history in the sector. They are growing rapidly and expanding aggressively right now. So Miller will be representing Zomedica in states concentrated in the eastern and mid-eastern areas of the US, which does include Texas. The partnership with Miller will definitely help Zomedica to get their TrueFormer product in front of more eyes to increase their market penetration. Zomedica sales employees will also be assigned to work with Miller sales representatives to enhance the level of customer service provided for TrueFormer. So with the pandemic having a significant impact on people's mental health, putting many people into isolation for long periods of time, many people across the world have got themselves a pet to keep them company. Pets aren't just a short-term thing, and with the rapid increase in pet adoption in recent months, there will be an increase in demand for supplementary pet products and services, such as the demand for vet services. So the next company here is SOS Ltd, with the ticker symbol SOS. So SOS Limited is a tech and AI company that use big data accumulation, AI, and cloud computing technology to provide customers with efficient emergency rescue services and information security services. They currently trade for $2.72 per share, giving them a market cap of $133 million. So SOS are getting into the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry and have recently made several interesting and significant announcements in relation to this. So early this month, on the 13th of January, they did announce plans to invest heavily into the crypto mining industry to take advantage of the growing value and potential of crypto assets. The plan does include setting up a series of cloud crypto mining sites in Chinese regions where the energy costs are low and clean energy resources are more plentiful. So on the 21st of January, they did announce that they had entered into a purchase agreement to acquire 15,645 Bitcoin mining rigs, as well as 1,408 Ethereum mining rigs. Once all of these rigs are set up and working, the total hash power that they will have from this is projected to create approximately 3.5 Bitcoin and 63 Ethereum every day, which equates to roughly just about $200,000 at current prices. The shipment of this equipment is due to come in 3 installments in February, March and April of this year. On the 29th of January, it was then announced that SOS have successfully developed a cutting-edge firewall system, a personal biological information storage system, and an antivirus system, all of which are based on the blockchain using AI. This does demonstrate their desire to have a complete ecosystem for their services relating to the blockchain. So without solid secured protection and insurance, Digital asset insurance and cryptocurrency banking services are quite risky at the moment. SOS do plan to launch the first digital asset insurance company and the first cryptocurrency bank in the world. There is likely to be a high demand for these services, as 20% of cryptocurrencies are stolen or lost every year. So a guy called Dr. Yan, who is a renowned cryptocurrency security expert, recently joined SOS to spearhead their expansion into the digital asset security industry, and he will play a pivotal part in helping SOS to launch their digital asset insurance and crypto banking services. So Bitcoin is expected to continue to rise in the coming years, with some big name investors like Cathie Wood putting large price targets on Bitcoin. I think Cathie Wood actually said that she predicts Bitcoin to go to $500,000 or potentially higher. At the same time, the blockchain is continuing to grow and develop. SOS are therefore in a great position to take advantage of the growth in this industry and the estimated increase in the price of Bitcoin over time. So the final stock in this video is Atossa Therapeutics, ticker symbol ATOS. So Atossa Therapeutics is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company aiming to discover and develop innovative medicines in areas of significant unmet medical need. At the moment, they're currently focusing on breast cancer and CV19, with the belief that their innovative therapies and delivery methods can benefit CV19 patients and transform breast cancer treatment, with the ultimate goal of preventing breast cancer from developing in the first place. They are currently trading for $3.14, with a market cap of $224 million. So they have recently taken more of a back seat on the breast cancer part of their business and have been focusing on CV19 treatment, firstly with their CV19 HOPE program. The goal of this program is to develop a therapy to improve lung function and to reduce the amount of time that ill patients are on ventilators for. The drugs that Atossa are using for this treatment have been approved by the FDA for other diseases and are supported by 12 clinical studies across 800 different patients. The plan for the HOPE program is to complete clinical studies quickly so they can obtain FDA approval and bring this treatment to the market as soon as possible. Additionally, they do also have a CV19 nasal spray in development right now, intended to be used for patients immediately after being diagnosed with CV19, but not yet showing symptoms severe enough to require hospital treatment. So this spray is intended for at-home use to reduce symptoms and slow the infection rate, so that the person's immune system can fight the disease more effectively. So both of their CV19 treatment programs are in phase 2 trials right now and will need to complete phase 3 trials before they can get approval and then finally get commercialized. So this could be a good number of months before this does happen, but once the products are on the market to the public, then the revenue can really start to roll in and benefit the business. So even though this pandemic will probably not last for too long because people are starting to get vaccinated, CV19 as an actual disease is likely to be around for many years to come. So yes, vaccines are getting rolled out across the world right now. However, just like the flu, it is quite likely that CV19 will still be around to some capacity, and vaccines may potentially have to get adapted and reinstated across populations further down the line. This means that there is likely to be a long-term demand for these products. However, the risk with this company is obviously the fact that the demand for their CV19 products will be on the decline in the coming years, and it is definitely uncertain right now how significant the decline in the demand for these products will be over the next 5 years or so. So obviously everyone wants CV19 to completely disappear for good, but this particular company probably do want it to stay around to some capacity for a little while, because obviously that will benefit their business with their products that they are going to be bringing out in the near future. So that is all for today's video, guys. I do also just want to emphasize again that these picks are just purely based on my own opinion, and as they are all penny stocks, they are extremely risky and very volatile as well. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is for purely entertainment purposes only, and you should definitely do your own research before you think about buying a stock. But with that being said, guys, please remember to leave a like and subscribe if you do enjoy the video and you'd like to see similar videos in the future. That really does help out the channel a lot. Be sure to drop a comment, let me know what your favourite stock is from this video. And apart from that, guys, thanks a lot for watching.